Kuringana na uthuthuria uria wikitwo ni kambuni ya Infotrack gatagati ga tariki 29 mweri wa 11 na tariki 1 mweri uyu gicunji kia 52 hari igana kia Akenya ni gikenetio ni uria thirikari ikoretwo ikihurana na ungumania. Mamwe ma maundu maria matumite itugirio ni muingi kuona afitha nene mawabici-ini ma thirikari magikio ngono, guthitangwo kwa afitha acio, unyitaniri wa wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi ODPP na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria DCI. Aria matakenetio ni wira wa thirikari maugite ungumania uria kuona gikiro kia iguru na thogora wa muturire uri iguru. Gicunji kia 48 hari igana kiugite President Uhuru Kenyatta arutite wira mwega hari kugacirithia githomo, waki wa barabara, ucamba wa kuhurana na ungumania, kugacirithia wathani wa matura, kuiguithania a Kenya gatagati ka mangi. Gicunji kia 12 hari igana kiria kiraganite nacio kiratetio ni thogora wa muturire guthi iguru, uhaguku wa ugitiri, ukabira gutherema na ungumania gatagati ka mangi.
That you can see the will in him to want to fight this thing. The question sometimes I think we see is the torment in him on how to do so well and how to do it with the right people. So that the fight against corruption then becomes one of the reasons why we give him a good score.
Guoka ni gwataniro gatagati ka President Kenyatta na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga, Akenya 8 hari 10 ni mamukirite ngeithi gatagati ga atongoria cieri makiuga ni irehete thayo na wiguano bururi-ini. Icigo iria ikenetio makiria ni ngeithi ici ni Nyanza, North Eastern na Nairobi. Aria matakenirio ni ngeithi ici maugite monire ngeithi ici citiari na utheri na ni cia kuguna atongoria ayeri tu na ni cia thatirie hinya wa mung'ethaniro.
Another 35% said it led to lack of opposition. So right now, who is the opposition? Who fights government when things are going wrong?
Uthuthuria-ini oyo Akenya maugite bunge ya bururi na bunge ya Senate ni cinyitite muting'we guoka ni kuriukia mwihoko wa Akenya.
Those people that we have actually elected to speak on our behalf, that is the Senate and the National Assembly, I hope they can get this message from yourselves that we're not happy with them and that we actually are giving them a very poor rating in terms of their performance thus far. And so that 55% of Kenyans feel that the Senate is performing poorly, and almost 60% feel that the National Assembly is doing a bad job.
Girifotera Inoro TV, Getwa Karo Kenyugo Mwaura.